नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों मैं आप लोग को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9 इंग्लिश चैप्टर 1 पोएम द रोड नॉट टेकन क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोग को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर एक वेयर डज द ट्रेवलर फाइंड हिमसेल्फ, व्हाट प्रॉब्लम डज ही फेस। नंबर 2 डिस्कस व्हाट दिस फेसेस मीन्स टू यू। फर्स्ट, ए येलो वुड। सेकेंड, it was grassy and wanted wear. Third, the passing hair. Fourth, leaves no step hard trodden black. 5. How why lead on to why. Number 3. Is there any difference between the two roads as the poet describe them? First, in strangers 2 and 3. Second, in the last two lines of the poem. Number 4. What do you think the last two lines of the poem means? Looking back, does the poet regret this choice or accept it? Answer number first. The traveler find himself in the wood in front of two roads diverging in opposite direction. The problem he faced was which road should be chosen by him, as the choice there would decide him fate. Number second. Number 8. Yellow wood symbolizes the autumn's season. Atoms corresponds with old age. The poet in most probably talking about the later stage of life. Second, 2 was grassy and wanted wear. Conversely, that the road which was full of grass, but nobody had used that road. It was a smooth road which had not worn out. Number 3, the passing there refer to talking or the road. 4, the leaves had not changed their color and turned black because of less people stepping on them. Leaves no step hard trodden black represent a path on my have never seldom taken in life for the fear of uncertainty of or risk in life. Number 5. How I lead on to why faces means how certain decision one makes in life could pave the way for many other decision. Number 3. In stanza 2, the poet examples explain that the only difference between the two roads was that the road he would had the right to be chosen as it was the better claim because it was covered with grass and looked as if it had not been used too much, whereas the other road seemed to be used old and worn off. Decided this difference what road had been equally worn down by passes by traveling on them. In stanza there the poet say the worth the road were equally converted with livers and that no person had stepped on. Number 2, in the last two lines of the poem, the poet says that there is a difference between the two roads because he took the road that was less traveled by other people, and that made all the difference to this journey. Number 4, the last two lines of the poem means that the poet accept the reality. The poet made a choice and accepted the challenging path. He took an unexplored path in his life. He wanted to do something different in this life, so he took the less traveled road. No, he does not regret his choice. Rather, he was ready to take risk and walk on the road. Question number 2. Answer the following with reference to the story. Number 1. Have you even had to make a difficult choice for, or do you think you will have difficult choice to make? How will you make the choice? For what reason? Number 2. After you have made a choice, do you always think about what might have been, or do you accept the reality? Number 2. A difficult choice or decision is when we are confused between two things. Such decisions sometime are the most important decision or of our life. In life, many times everyone is forced to make such decision. This decision may be different for me and other but affect us some. Why? This could be choosing between friends, college, competition, and other things. I would make the choice by weighing down my option or making a list of all pros and cons to the solution. Number 2. Taking a decision sometimes makes or spoils our future. Having made a choice, I accept the reality. Reconsidering a decision or rethinking over it or regretting our it is not a positive approach towards life. Such thoughts never allow us to be happy with what we have gained from our decision. Therefore, I believe in sticking to my decision. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.